Oh, hello again. And I see all of you are here, are back to see me bulldoze the Hatcher Palace Hotel. Hell. Whoa.
Boss, we have a problem.
What?
Look outside! Everybody is voting! And it looks like that girl and her fucking thing are getting held by the Sesame Muppets. And to saving the hotel.
What? Well, we'll see about that. 'Cause I have a plan.
Ooh. What is it, boss?
Come on, I'll show you. Oh, you. You.
What? Me. Harriet! What is this? Then, when I was getting ready for the show, and you told me, and then, what? Oh. Wait, take a breath, and tell me, what happened? When all of a sudden, there was a great big shadow. No. That's coming.
Coming?
Then, there's another. Yeah. What?
Hey.
It was this big and brown and shaggy.
Me.
Big, brown, and shaggy? And it has a long nose. And a long nose?
Oh. Oh.
How do you know, Bosley? Because he's coming right behind Harriet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh. They. Oh, it's Snuffy! My best friend Snuffy! Hi, bird! Hi, Stumpy! Snuffy.
Me? Oh! Harriet, that's Snuffy, Big Bird's best friend.
Then. Whoa. Then, who are your new little friends? Oh, this is Abby and her two of her Fuzzlies friends. And Bosley and Hagen. She heard about our TV show. No.
Is he, but?
No.
No. Hi, Snuffy. Nice to meet you. Whoa! He sure is big like Big Bird. Is he too?
Actually, he's a snuffleupagus.
What's this? This? Snuffleupagus. A snuffleupagus. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. And this is your hotel? Huh, we're saving?
Like, that's right, Snuffy. We're putting on a Sesame Street Fuzzlies show.
Whoa! Can I be in it?
Sure you can.
No, great. It's at the dining area. No. 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 You better get ready. Hey. No.
Big Red is hosting.
Hey. Hey. You. 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 Oh. Oh. Okay. Hey. 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 Hey.
Snuffy's nice.
Yeah. Well. Well. Hey. Well, we better get the show started. Where? There are gonna be lots of people who are gonna vote when they see our show.
Okay.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen,
Well,
oh man, welcome to the Sesame Street Fuzzly Show. Well, it's dancing. And if you like it, you can vote on your mobile phones so we can save up the cafe. Alright?
yeah.
Oh, well, oh, I just Sesame when I was a little girl.
Ew.
So, well, so, okay. What? What's that? Ladies and gentlemen, man. Go. We'll do it.
Go.
Well, Abby, can you tell us who's up next?
Sure. But Fuzzly. What's this?
It's
Bert and Ernie. Me.
Daddy! Right. Hello, everybody. Hello. I'm here at the hotel. Hotel? Wanting to be here. Here. Now, you all? No, us, Archie, right? But none of the Fuzzlies heard about our show, so we like to tell all the Fuzzlies as they sing it dance with us when we do our song. On. And I bet everybody knows this one. It's all about our differences about me and my buddy Bird. Yeah, that's right, honey. Besides,
I like paper clips. Paper clips? Paper clips. I like bottle caps. Bottle caps. Bottle caps. I love pigeons, yeah. Pigeons? Love pigeons, oh yes I do. Robert, you know, I don't really like any of those things, but I like you. I like playing jokes. Playing jokes. Love my rubber duck. Rubber duck. Rubber ducky. I like bubblegum. 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 Yes, I do. Well, Ernie, I'm not crazy about any of those things, but I like you. I like to lie awake in bed at night and talk to you. Yeah, I know. I like to say goodnight and go to sleep. I like to go and see the big hippopotamus in the zoo. Ernie, you know what? What bird? I like that too. I like jelly beans. Jelly beans. Jelly beans. I like lentil soup. Lentil soup. And yeah, I like a marching band. I like a music box. Yes, I do. But though I don't always like everything that I like, still you crazy about your rubber ducky. Though I don't love pigeons, still we're awfully lucky, 'cause I like you.
Yeah!
Your role is to turn these children.
Ah. Ah.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
And I speak both Spanish and English.
Hey, thank you! Thank you! Oh. Yo. Oh. Well,
Wow! Bert and Ernie sure are great dancers.
yes. They sure are, Fuzzlies. And now, I'd like to bring out the next act. Act Rosita.
Gracias.
Yes.
Huh? No.
No. No.
Why is Rosita talking?
Yeah.
Wait.
She's not telling you fun. Wait, Leslie. She's just speaking Spanish.
Oh, that's right. Ooh. What's Spanish? Yeah, what is Spanish? Oh, Spanish is a language that I speak. You see, my family and I used to come from a country called Mexico. That's where I was born.
Lauren. Lauren. Right.
Gracias means thank you in Spanish.
Yes.
Gracias means thank you.
You.
And when I see someone, I say hola. That means hello.
Oh. Well.
And when I say adios, that means goodbye.
Bye. Okay.
Oh,
Oh.
Bobby don't get near the reading. Hey, here, Fuzzy. Let me show you during my next my musical number. There.
Okay. Break away, Rosita.
Huh? Okay. Bosley, Big Bird just say good luck. That's shell talk. Hi. That's right.
Right.
Alright, everybody, listen. The Scoochie says that means I'm happy. The Scooch Priest, that means I'm sad. Orgullosa, that means I'm proud. Tengo coraje, that means I'm mad. Contenta, happy. Tristeza, orgullosa, coraje. Cause no matter what your language, no matter what your name, the ways people feel can be
No. No. Hey. Hey.
Hey, wait a minute. Where's Princess Fly?
Like.
Oh, I told her she could be a part of my next magic. Remember, me. Ooh, you do magic act? Because me, I share a card. Let me carry.
Really? Yeah.
Alright. I need a magic one. Her cuckoo ship daughter.
Okay. Here. Good. Here you go. Yeah. No. No. Hey. Hey.
Hola, big
Bang. Very.
bird.
Hey. Right. Hey.
Need a one. Go for a tap dancing. Thing.
Wow. The Fuzzlies learned about Spanish. Huh?
It's your turn.
Head. Head.
Saba.
So how many votes do we have so far? Well, we have 10 votes. And, but not but then, we have 20 votes. And now we have 30 votes. Wow.
Wow. That way we'll keep the...
Yeah. Go. Okay.
Okay, Abby.
It's your turn to
Shine. Give it up for Abby's magic.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey.
Come on. Hey, Dad. Wow. See the fairy. That's right. A fairy guy. And someday
Yeah.
I want to be a fairy godmother. Just like my mommy. Really? That's right.
Becoming a fairy godmother takes a lot of work. Mommy says that whatever you want to be, it takes more than magic. Making a wish come true, that's my dream. 1, 2, 3, can you see me? We see you. You can. Oh, pumpkins. So many things to learn. I'll try it again. Trying to make Mama proud of me. If I see it, I can be it. Oh, just imagine inside my mind is where I see the very fairy I long to be. Inside my heart is where I believe that I have got magic in me. That's right, Abby. Don't give
fly. Wow! We did it.
But hey, where's Harriet?
Yeah. Here. Hello.
Ah! How did you get here? Here.
Magic, Telly. Welcome. No. 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 Oh. No. She has appeared in Chef's Chat.
Oh.
Yeah. Abby, how many? How many? Count one on count that we now have 40. 40? Ben. What the next? Oh, Mo and Bo. What's the show? They're tap dancing for the show. Can't see. Thing. I want to have it ready. Wow! Mama, good tap dancers. Here's great.
Hey. Wait. Afternoon all.
Mr. Stitcher, what's Stitcher doing here?
Here. Oh, just enjoying the show. So, you see? No. But me. Where is that voting box?
It's right here.
Yes. But you should get. You want to show me?
Well, okay.
Me?
Yeah. Happy.
No. No.
What? What's Miss Sticker up to? I'm not sure, Bosley.
Me.
Well, Teeny's here. Can you play? Well, see what you're doing? Sure, Big Bird.
Right.
Let's. Don't worry. We'll get more votes. No, just do who you're dancing with, and I'll announce it. Good. Well, thank you. Take care. There. Well, I don't know. No, I don't know. Well, no, Abby. Me. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, may I present the next round of our Sesame Street Fuzzlies show. Oh, Mo and Bo. Well, the tap dancing Fuzzlies. Please, yeah. Hey, hit it, peepers.
Tap shoes tapping on your feet, make your dancing sound so sweet. Now you're putting on a show. Tappy dancing, Mo and Bo are tapping machines. They're the tap dance king and queen. It's a tapping party now. Abby Bosley, show us how. Tapping is a piece of cake. Fun to make the whole room shake. Tapping's what we'll do for you while you have your tea. It's true. Tapping's how we entertain. When we're done, we'll start a game. Tap will do for you while you have your tea. It's true. Tapping's how we entertain. When we're done, we'll start a game. Now Josh Thorne is in the show. See her tapping, go, go, go.
Yeah! Wow! Yeah. Hey. 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 Ooh, Elmo, can you tap dance? Well, sure I can. Again? Elmo could. Then you want to tap dance with us? Let's. Well, Uncle, I'm wants to tap dance. Then. Then. Wait, whistle. Yeah, it got one big button. I'm gonna check it with Mo and Bo. Well, sure, but Elmo.
But Elmo, you.
Yeah. What about your eye?
Yeah.
No. I'm not gonna have that water. Neither. Yeah. There. Well. That way. Oh yeah. Mo. All right. Got after this one. Fun. Oh, great. Wait. Fun. Let's tap. Come on, everybody. Let's have it with Elmo. Well, and Mo. Oh. And Bo. Oh. Oh. No. Ow. Yeah, big girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, Elmo. Well, Mo. Oh. Can we dance like all we do? Well, show you, Grandma and Bo.
Well, I must say, you convince all people. Whoa. Well, then I get.
Yay!
Okay. Well, wait. 0.
What?
You see, I switch the boxes. So voting for my new parking lot.
What? I didn't.
Hey, isn't matter. And I couldn't have done, but okay. Why do you do that? With a little help from your daughter, right, Abby? Sure? Well, I guess you'll have to move out of your own hotel. Well, I'm gonna get the bulldozers ready. Vital, up row. Now go.
Oh no! Abby, I thought you were gonna. Oh, well, I did, but. I'm here. But. Ah! No! No! Abby!
Hey.
Oh. Oh. Oh no!
Oh. Oh.
Poor Abby. Poor,
I'm sorry. Looks like we failed. Oh. Oh.
Oh no! This is terrible!
Oh. Yes, it was. Was.
You okay, Abby? No,
No.
the show is ruined, and it's all my fault. There's no way to make it better. But Abby always make it better. Not this time. We tried our best to save the hotel, but Mr. Scissors tricked me. And he should've. No. What do? Oh, he never said we trusted him. Him. Now we'll lose our home.
Oh. Hey. What's wrong with Abby? Hmm.
Ba-ba-ba, Abby's so sad. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, and she's so blue. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, and she's so sad. What to do? Ba-ba-ba-ba, she just don't know. What to do? Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, Abby's so sad. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, and she's so blue. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, and she just don't know. What to do? Ba-ba-ba-ba, we'll lose our home. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, we'll have more moves. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, and we're gonna cry. What's wrong? What to do?
Well, okay, viewers, we get the point.
Ah! How does that be so sad? I'm sad that Poppers too.
Well, gee. I wish there's a way we can cheer her up.
But now, Stitcher is gonna bulldoze the Fuzzlies home. Home.
No, that will not. This
Yes.
is their home. Cause those Sesame Street's our home. You're right, Elmo.
Oh, but what can we do?
I'll do another cheer I will have. Mr. and Mrs. Archer!
Jar. Jar. No.
Yes? Yes, Elmo?
Well,
Elmo's wondering, did Elmo have a favorite Sesame Street song?
well, there is a classic Sesame Street song.
Why, Elmo? That's right. It's your song. Oh. Elmo, no. Snaffle, Big Bird! Elmo needs help. Yeah, can you take it? Yeah. Here.
And you're telling me when after that song, well, cause Big Bird is definitely in the Peepers. Get ready.
How about it, Peepers? Would you like to help?
Yes, yes, we can help Big Bird, Elmo, and Snuffy. Great.
Wait.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, mm-hmm. Now, hey, Abby.
Come on.
We only. Thank you. But there's something else you need to see. Over here.
What do you mean?
Hey. Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Tonight, next us to help get all the boxes to the hotel.
A classic Sesame song by Elmo, Big Bird, Snuffy,
And the Peepers. Little Peeper, ready? Wait.
This is the song, la 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 la, Elmo's song. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's song.
I like it.
La la la, la 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 la.
He wrote this alone.
La la la, la 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 la.
Catchy.
He loves to sing, la 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 la, Elmo's song.
Oh, sing it.
La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's song. He wrote the music, he wrote the words. That's Elmo's song.
La 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 la, la la la
This is the song, la 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 la, Big Bird song. It works. La 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 la, la 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 la, Big Bird song. La la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la. I love to sing, la 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 la, Big Bird song. La 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 la, la 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 la, Big Bird song. I love the music, I love the words. That's Big Bird song.
This is the song, la 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 la, Snuffy song.
Sing it, Mr. Ants.
La 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 la, la 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 la, Snuffy song. La la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la. I love to sing, la 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 la, Snuffy song. La 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 la, la la la, Snuffy song. He wrote the music, we wrote the words. That's Snuffy,
That's Big Bird.
oh yeah.
Man. Oh.
You think my... Yeah.
No. Song? Because songs are the ones that make you happy. Me.
Thank you, John. I... Better. There.
There.
Not give up. Because we still, I wonder.
What if? Let's try. Hi. And you don't have to move. This is your home. Just like Sesame Street is our home. Home.
Very smart. Does anybody has a since everybody has their own Sesame Street song?
So, well, why not? Why not we sing all our favorite Sesame Street songs?
No, that one. Everyone will get to vote.
Vote. Oh, yes. Let's vote. Dude. All thousand vote the same. Hey. Wait. Hey. Oh, it's good, but
Actually, Jeff Show, you don't have to.
to
Your cafe.
have your. I don't.
No, Elmo has plans.
Then,
We're gonna sing all our classic Sesame Street songs and everybody.
Salam.
The part when they're little the one they heard when they're little to children, kids, to grown adults. Oh, it is the song.
The song? The songs. What?
I think they know them. Hit it! Songs. All around the deck whenever you need them. Songs for you whenever you need them.
Songs.
They seem to come alive each time you sing them songs. You can play them straight or you can swing them.
Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make that time lots of fun. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Bo-bo-bo-dee-o.
Aphrodite, gentlemen, uppers to Rixens. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Aphrodite, gentlemen, uppers to Rixens. I wish I knew exactly what I mean.
Songs, don't know how we get on without them. Songs, you can hum them, whistle, or shout them.
Songs keep you company when you're alone. So find a song
You can call your own.
you can go around. All you need is a song.
Oh, I love trash. Anything dirty, dingy, or dusty. Anything ragged or rotten or rusty. Yes, I love trash.
Hey,
Oscar.
you're singing. Hey, what? I just love singing my favorite. Oh, yeah. So, as for Coco, that's good enough for me. So, as for Coco, that's good enough for you. So, as for Coco, that's good enough for me. Oh, Coco, it's hard with you. Oh, who are the people in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. Say,
Who are the people in your neighborhood?
they're the people that you meet when you're walking down the street. They're the people that you meet each day. What? 100 votes!
Their votes.
What?
What are
Them.
That way, we feel it.
Hey, that way you don't have to bulldoze. Or the wreck. Oh, yeah, Mr. Stitcher.
Oh, man. And, alright, you win. You can keep your your hotel.
Dude, and we're kinda doing out there.
Yeah, you deserve a big hand. Come on, yeah.
So come on, everybody. Buddy, let's sing some more, yeah?
Song is charming, how we ever meet when you want to meet is
Yeah.
Song is
Put
charming,
them around and put them down.
songs songs make me company when you're alone. So find a song you can on your own. All you need is a song. You can't go wrong. All you need is a song.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the stars of Sesame Street Live. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye, my friends. Bye now. Bye now. Yeah, so long, boys and girls.
Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. See you real soon. Adios,
Cookie Monster say bye-bye.
Bye. Toodaloo.
Bye-bye, everybody. Be good to your mommy. Please. Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. Hey, thanks for coming.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks for helping. Hey. Dang. Hey.
Bye. Goodbye. Elmo loves you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Hey, bye. Bye.
Hey. Bye-bye. Hey. See you all on Sesame Street.
sharing and caring every day.
No.
Yeah.
Um,